I just realized I'm making a video about making a video, and I'm probably going to have to make another video about this. It's so weird. Let's get it. What's up, party people and place to be? I have a YouTube channel. It's not a very popular YouTube channel. Because everybody shows you their channel when it's popular, right? It's not a popular channel. But I am revamping my channel, republishing, putting more effort into it. You can even see that I have the TubeBuddy logo up there. I, however, have just made a video that talks about me rebranding this channel, and I figure, well, why not just go very meta and get really weird and use ChatGPT to maybe give me a title and possibly give me a description and some keywords. So I'm gonna go to ChatGPT. Now, I have been using it before. I have also made a little course on how to use it for creatives. I am a creative. I do have a background in sales. I have been an entrepreneur and a creative entrepreneur for about the past 10 years. I've done things off and on before that. And by the way, that was a shameless plug. One of the things that I will be doing on my channel is telling you all of the things that I will be doing while I'm doing them, because I think that's just the most useful for my creative entrepreneurs. And I am a 2D artist and a 3D artist, and I've been making a living for about the past 8 years teaching people online, mostly on Udemy. I've had a Teachable page. I do have a Gumroad page. And what I'm about to do right now is going to show you that. I'm going to show you proof. Okay, so that's me. 114,000 students. It's my beautiful face there. And you can look and see my ratings. I'm a pretty highly rated instructor. 4.4, 4.5. They're all 4s, 4 point something. So just letting you know, that's who I am. But let's get in this ChatGPT thing, and I want to ask, we're going to start a new chat. I'm using the GPT-4 model. I do have the Plus. As of this recording, they told us about the apps, but it didn't happen today. So whatever. At least it's not down like last Monday as I record this on 3/27. Okay, so I'm going to talk to ChatGPT. Yo, chat. How you doing? I don't have feelings or emotions. But I'm here to help you with any questions if you need. What can I assist you with today? I YouTube video about help me with the title and keywords. And what else do I need, guys? I don't know, title and keywords and a description. It's a channel about business of creativity. So let's do this. Of course, here's a suggested title, description, and keywords for a YouTube video. It's running. ChatGPT is running a little bit slow today. Unleash creativity, exciting channel rebrand. No, that's terrible. That is terrible. Welcome to the next chapter of our journey as we rebrand and focus our channel on the business of creativity. Give fresh content, inspiring insights, and practical tips to help you. Take a look behind the innovative project. Okay, all this stuff I have, and this is fine, but like this isn't rebranding, channel update, channel business, channel entrepreneurship. These are a lot of keywords. I never would have thought of this. So part of this experiment is to see if any of this works. Unleashing creativity. I don't like that. Can I have... no. Talk specifically about the video and what people will see. So I know some of you are probably looking, you might be glancing over at the side there. You see hip hop musical. So in this course that I had created, I wanted to see what ChatGPT could do. And I said, can you write me a hip hop musical about a battle rapping pig, kind of like Hamilton? And at the end, battle is a fight. He battles the ghost of Abraham Lincoln, and it did it. So, and the sad thing is, and it wrote me a song. It gave me the, it gave me a chord progression. Right? Crazy. Branding for success. Innovating our channel. Feel free to choose or modify. None of these are really good. Welcome to our rebranded channel. Unlocking the creative possibilities. Let's see. So my original title for this. Let me see. Redefining discovery. I noticed that they're doing this thing. I'm going to pause here for a second. Okay, so I decided to upload the video. I don't, you know what? Mine is rebranding my YouTube channel for fun and profit. I like that a lot better. It's catchier. It's a little bit more me. ChatGPT really did not help me out too much on the title part of it. What I want to do is I'm also going to use TubeBuddy because I paid for it. And I'm going to create a thumbnail. I do have to create some playlists. I have to create a playlist and tag. I still have some of my older tags there. So I'm going to let the video process. I'm just going to hit pause so you don't have to, you don't want to watch a video process. Okay, so rebranding my YouTube channel for fun and profit. TubeBuddy. This is my first video I'm applying TubeBuddy to. I'm going to create a thumbnail. What color? Still frame from the video. I do have thumbnails already prepared, but let's go with a solid color. Maybe. My branding. There, because I don't think there's anything in the video that's like worth doing that with. Select a text, select an object, an image, text, image. What would be stock? No. Okay, I'm gonna throw my logo up there. Gonna put it up here in the corner. Image. Shape. So text isn't giving me, let me see. Rebranding my channel. Let's go. Oh, it's terrible. This is terrible. I don't like this at all. Okay, so this is the experiment lab, and I'm going to be honest about it. Let's get rid of that nonsense, and I'm going to go with, I'm going to upload a thumbnail. Or actually, let's make this my thumbnail. For now. And that's what we're going to do. So let me see. On profit. And add information. So what we're going to do here, what is this, tag tools? What is that? What is that? Okay, let's add some tags here. How to rebrand your tag? I don't know, I guess. Let's, I'm not going to do make money online because that's going to, there we go. There we go. Let's also do this because there's some stuff that I did like here. Where was that? Where was the tags at? Keywords. There we go. Do a copy. Let's see what happens here. Paste. Okay. Got a lot there. That's fine. Okay. I did not add subtitles. Ooh. Add an end screen, import from video. No, I didn't do any of that. So I was not ready for any of that. That's my mistake, but we're going to roll with it. Add cards. Final video. Next. Because I can always change that later. Let's go with schedule video. No, we're just gonna publish that video, and we're gonna see what happens. I don't know what's gonna happen, but we're gonna publish it. Okay. Should I share this? I'm not gonna share it. I'm just going to because I don't have all of this, and I need to get all of that together. That's part of the other process of it, right? So I'm going to hit close. And I think I've done the thing. There we go. And one more thing. I forgot to put in a description. I don't know if you can use on this. Let's see here. So I got to put in this description because we want to describe things because describing helps. And I'm probably going to have to get rid of those weird kind of emoji things, I think. Now, what you are seeing underlined here is me using Grammarly. Right? Because Grammarly is pretty awesome. It turns out I'd been using a lot of Grammarly for a few years now. So I'm just going to hit save. And bulk music and tools, TubeBuddy. So TubeBuddy helped me out a little bit there, and maybe I'll do a separate video on using TubeBuddy once I kind of figure this out a little bit. Thank you for checking out this ChatGPT. So this is my, I'm still going to keep this chat open, but ChatGPT, I put in the description, put in some keywords. I didn't like any of the titles, but I did notice that it had the little semicolon and then, so I want to do this. I want to see if it can do this for me. Rebranding my channel for fun and profit. I went with the title, and I can misspell as much as I want with ChatGPT. That's what I like. The title, branding for fun and profit. Can you spice it up for me and make it SEO friendly? I think that's what I'm looking for. So SEO, for those of you that don't know, because some people may not know, search engine optimization, how quickly something how quickly you can find something through searching. Sure, here's a revised, your chosen title, rebranding my YouTube channel, boosting creativity for engagement and profit. Okay. Let's see. Let's go with it. Let's go with it. Because it is fun and profit, but hey, we're gonna listen to the robot. We are going to listen to the robot. Okay, so I'm going to go back in here. I am going to edit title and description. Paste. There we go. Okay. Gonna hit save. Rebranding my YouTube channel, boosting creativity, engagement, and profit. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. All right. So that's my, this is my other experiment. And we're going to see what happens. I'm always going to do, when I do experiments, I'm going to try and do the beginning of it, the middle-ish portion, and then when we kind of end this little experiment. So I always want to keep everything going so you can know what to do. All right. That's about it. Please like, share, subscribe, because that's the stuff that I'm supposed to say, right? All right. Peace.